Now let's make the ears, working into a magic ring. In round 1, work 1 chain stitch. And then work 4 single crochets. 1 single crochet is done. 2. Place a marker in the first stitch. 3. 4. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Join this round with a slip stitch. Okay, then make a chain stitch at the beginning of the next round. This is called joined rounds. In round 2, work 4 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay, 1 increase is done. Continue. Also mark the first stitch. Joined rounds. In round 3, first work 3 single crochets with brown yarn. 1, 2. Okay, change to white yarn at the 3rd stitch. Okay, then work 1 increase with white yarn. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay, now you need to change back to brown yarn at the 2nd single crochet. Now work 2 single crochets. Then 1 decrease. Through the front loop of 2 adjacent stitches. Then work the same way as single crochet. Joined rounds. In round 4, work 3 single crochets with brown yarn. Then change to white yarn at the 3rd stitch. Then work 2 increases with white yarn. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay, 1 increase is done. 1, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay, change to brown yarn and continue to work 3 single crochets. One, 2, 3. Then work 1 slip stitch to finish. Fasten off and leave a long tail. Hide the yarn tails inside the ear. Fold the ear in half. One ear is completed. Make the other ear in the same way.